seated here. I've never taken this one apart, but I see 2 screws here. Phillips head, so where I'm gonna start. I got all my gear here if I need it. Shut up, dog. Working on my balcony, working on my balcony. That's a long screw there. Yeah, we were looking at it out there, and it looked like it hit that sign. It could have come from the ground up, but it hit the sign. It didn't even burn the electrical wires there, but it tripped a breaker, and it blew his ground fault thing for the pump in the pool. It blew that whole outlet out. This might be where we need the, I got another prying tool. Let me get that. This is where a lot of people break their knives when they should be using this little nail nick tool. A screwdriver or something like that. You'll break the tip off your knife if you try to do any prying. See, I only see 2 screws, which is weird. And then there's a cap plate here, here, and here. And here, and here. And these are pads which could come off. And what's this? What is that? That's a screw too, look at that. It's the golden screw. Just get out here. What do we need? What do we need? What do we need? We need Milo to shut the fuck up. Shut up, Milo. That's what we need. We need Milo to shut up. Need an extension. Can't use that. Can't use that with an extension. I have to use something else, so we'll just use this. Shut up, Milo. Even ratcheting, no wonder. Ratcheting. There we go, we got it started. I got a tiny Phillips head somewhere, but this guy's like a 2. I think it's gonna work. Nope. Well, I'll try this guy. It's the Marbles electrician knife. That's got a little Phillips on it, yeah. It's got a little Phillips. Will it fit? Not really. Not real good, but it's gonna work. We'll make do. I already broke it open with the... It actually takes a P0. Shut up. Yeah, Phillips 0 is what it takes. And this is maybe a 1. It doesn't come down to a very good point on this one. You can see it. And this guy is more like a 2. And this is what you need. Let me see if I can undo it with this. See? That one's oddly shaped. Zoom in here. See, this is what you need. A Phillips 0. This guy is badly shaped. This guy's too blunt. So, what we do is, we just take it out with this. Instead of going and getting different stuff. Unzoom myself here. Unzoom yourself. Let's pivot over here more. There we go. All solved. Has a special little door for this one. Undo this door. Oh, we could take this guy. Do this. We can do this. Another long screw. That's what she said. Alright, keep it civilized here. You don't want to get a child endangerment violation. What the hell that was all about. Aha! Yes. See? Hiding. These are little plastic caps that are hiding screw heads. And this is where this comes in perfect. Perfecto. Because you will be tempted to use your knife. And your knife should be able to withstand a tip pry like this. But you don't want to find out when you could, this costs like $6, you know. I like it too because buckshot bone in there. You can try out different. I wonder how that pattern would feel. $6. It's always going to work. My goof up was that I started drilling and the metal's so hard. It's the same steel. It's a Rough Rider RR2321. It's such a hard steel. See, like this side. Get up there. Make sure I'm showing you. Instead of drilling it all the way through, I just fudged and just made a ring that went there. And the problem with that is it pivots and it split the bone. If I'd have made a ring that went all the way through, we wouldn't have this issue. But you know, $6, like I said, $6. Now see, this one just peels off. So it's just a rubber. It's just a rubber foot. They're just freaking you out with that, but we're gonna leave that. I'm not gonna pry that one off. All right. So we got a screw here, a screw here, a screw here, a screw here. Let's take this guy. He fits these. Get away from those. You go over there. You're in the wrong section. It's not your sector. This is not your sector, sir. Sector. Are we recording? Are we recording? Yes. There's nothing to indicate it from up front. I mean, I guess I could look at the lens. There's a little... You can't read it from here, so I can't. Not with these glasses. One more after this, and then we'll pop the cover, and I'll zoom in. So we'll see what we got. Change the angle. All that. I'm doing this off the Brave 4, and I'm using the external mic. The thing with that is you got to set up all your parameters, man. If you have it set up for external mic, and you don't have an external mic hooked up, it's going to be a silent video. I've got a couple of those. Alright, let's just look a little closer. There's a security Torx type of heads. 1, 2, 3, 4. It stops. Along the front here. So let me get my other bits out. This could take a bit. What a... I trust that you're recording. Pick up my wee-haws. Wee-ha! Alright. What are you? What are you? No, Oh, you're one of those security head things. It's alright, I came prepared. I said I'm breaking out all my crap. Here we go. T9, T8. What T are you? Smaller than that. Alright, it's a T8 security T8. Let's see if we can find those. No. 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 Striking out here, folks. We're striking out. It says I have one here, but instead of a security T8, I've got a regular T8, and the security is one of those that's got a hole. I got a T9, but that's not gonna work. Pause. Would you stop screwing around? Oh God, dude. I finally found a special T8 socket. I had to dig it out of a cheaper Walmart thing that I've been using forever. This is not magnetic, this little head here. It's a 1/4 inch socket. We're getting there. I can speed this up, fast forward. Whoa! You're losing it. Yeah, because this thing is beveled here. It's designed, I think, purposely designed to mess with you. Let's see, maybe we don't need to torque it. Maybe do it by hand. More faster. Uno más. Man, they make it hard for you. Look, you gotta go from a T8, security T8, a Phillips 1, a Phillips, instead of 0. You must verify these facts. Phillips 0 to a Phillips 1 or 2. Hidden little caps. I know it's all to make it flat, but still. Alright, now we need to start prying. I hate to pry in the office. Where are we? I'm just looking at the seams. Let's see how this pops off. Like I said, I've never done. Here's a seam right here. It seems like this is the way to go. Ooh, yes. We're having success here. Let's start prying until you hear things popping. Make sure you got all your screws loose. I think you've got a screw loose. I think you've got more than one. Hey. No coming back. down. Once you start coming up, there's no coming back down. We're getting somewhere. I may be able to just pop it over like this. Yes. This cover's never been popped off this Ps3. It's made it from New Mexico to Texas. It's had 3 moves. Something over here is stuck. When it's stuck, don't just pop it up. Make sure you know what the hell you're doing before you pry things out. It's having issues here where the ports are at. Well, it's already broke, so well, I can't. It feels like it needs one more thing right here. What do you need? That little attachment thing goes to that. Which goes down. I think it just pops up. Maybe not. It's about to pop up. You're about to pop off. It's about to pop off over here in the hood. It's about to pop off. I told you. Told you were gonna pop. I told you were gonna go. See, that's the way you do it. See, there's a slight adjustment. A lot of dust in here. All right, so here's where the power cord goes in. There's a little tiny screw right over here that will lift this connector out. Let's pop you back up. Let's try that. Let's try that, shall we? I don't know where your little attachment is, though. Where's your attachment? Because I don't need an attachment. Yes, you do. You do need an attachment. Or you will not work. That's not this guy. Huh? Incompetence. There's nothing but incompetence around here. I would like to speak to the manager. I'm the manager. Sir, I would like to complain about your operation here. So would I. You've got problems. You think you've got problems? What was that P1 that I just had, huh? Where is it? The whole purpose of having this out here is so that you'll be organized. It's not magnetic. I told you that. I told you already. We can make it magnetic very simply. I'm just going to get some super glue and one of my little disc magnets, and we'll change that. We will improve our toolage right here. On the spot improvement. I keep some super glue for mainly cuts, but comes in handy for other things. I'll get down here where me can see. You know, can see from back there. Might take a different Phillips head. Might take a 1 instead of a 0 on this guy. Yeah, out of my heads. Don't lose your head. Are we gonna have to put up with these puns? No, not really. I mean, you don't have to. kind of fun to see you struggle, though. I am struggling. Yes, this is the right screw head. See? Things go much better when you have the correct tools. You must use the proper tool for the job. We're about to fix this one. I'm tired of that bit falling out when I don't expect it to. I got these tiny little magnets mainly for batteries. Tact does, you know, like when you got a flat top battery, you want to make it a little bit bigger. I got it for that, but it'll work for this, I think, because there's a recess down there in the bottom. They're too big. Well, two of them are too big now. Now we got issues. Oh, the struggle is real. There we go. It's sideways in there, though. This looks like a job for Superman. Superman's not here. He's busy. Please leave a message. What? I was going to use super glue, but look at that. It's fixed now. We fixed it. I was going to use glue, but you don't even need to use glue. Alright, let's get back to this. Back to the situation. And it was loose already. It was already undone. Get over there, you. Where is my needle nose? Needle nose. Surgical removal. Alright. There's another one over here. We have the proper tools. Where is my proper bit? We weren't using this, we were using this. Ah! Why are you not working? Oh, because you stayed with this guy. That's just why we need to fix it. This is why we need the dumb glue, I'm telling you. We don't want to put it on that. We want to put it on this. One moment, please.